Hi, engineers. Today we continue soft skills for Engineer Module 13 Part 7. In this module we will learn about the words we used in hotel industries. Welcome back to Hospitality Engineering Channel. Learning goals. By the end of this module, you will be able to talk about some common types of food and drink, understand people's food preferences, talk about quantities of things, write about what you like to eat. Let us see some words used as nouns and how to frame a sentence using these nouns. Banana. I will only eat a banana if the peel is yellow and doesn't have any brown spots on it. Beef. My mother rarely cooks beef for dinner. Bottle of. My family drinks 2 bottles of milk every week. Bowl of. My sister can eat 2 bowls of ice cream. Carrot. Carrots and other root vegetables have a lot of vitamins. Cheese. Mark eats cheese and bread for lunch every day. Chicken. I like chicken. Corn. We cook the corn in a large pot. Cup of. I usually drink 2 cups of tea in the morning. Dairy product. My 2 favorite dairy products are cheese and yogurt. Dessert. My children like ice cream for dessert. Fruit. Bananas and oranges are my favorite kinds of fruit. Glass of. Susan drinks 2 glasses of water with every meal. Grain. This is good rice. Every grain is soft and round. Ice cream. I love to eat strawberry ice cream on a hot day. Juice. We drink orange juice for breakfast every day. Lettuce. Do we have lettuce for the salad? Loaf of bread. I want to buy a large loaf of bread. Meal. I eat 3 meals every day. Meat. My sister doesn't eat meat. Milk. Do you want milk and sugar in your coffee? Onion. The cut onion made my eyes hurt. Orange. Florida is famous for oranges. Piece of. I want a small piece of cake. Recipe. I have a great soup recipe. Rice. People eat a lot of rice in Japan. Roommate. My 2 roommates have very large bedrooms in our apartment. Salad. Sarah likes to put lettuce, carrots, and onions in her salad. Sandwich. The restaurant sells beef sandwiches for lunch. Soup. The soup in this bowl is very hot. Steak. The steak smelled great. Strawberry. My mother's birthday cake has strawberries on top. Supermarket. The supermarket sells many fruits and vegetables. Vegetable. Edward likes peas and carrots. He eats vegetables every day. Yogurt. People in Saudi Arabia often use yogurt for cooking. Now let's take examples of words which can be used as verbs in a sentence. Need. To feel that you must do or have something. We need meat for the sandwiches. Put. To move something to a certain place. Please put the strawberries on the table. Want. To wish for something that you don't have. I want $1,000. Adjectives. These are words which would describe a noun. For example, ripe. It means ready to eat. This banana is very soft and ripe. Adverbs are words that describes a verb. For example, here. It means in or to a place near the speaker. Please put the flowers here on my desk. I hope you have learned some common words used in hotel industries. Thank you for watching. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.